Dogwifhat token has plunged down 25% this week. Will we see Dogwifhat hit $1 before it hits $5? That's what we're talking about in today's video. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a deep dive in Dogwifhat. Before we start the video, I want to ask if you haven't already, do make sure you smash that subscribe button down below, as it helps the channel tremendously and will help you reach your 2024 crypto goals. As you can see on the charts, guys, Dogwifhat still holding its position at the top 4 cryptocurrency at a $2 billion market cap, but it is down 25% this week. However, we're up 6% on the 24-hour and 2% on the 1-hour charts, which are great to see. Overall, crypto market's kind of recovering from yesterday at least. We're seeing up 1% on Bitcoin, up 5% on ETH holding a position of 35,000 right now. Fear and greed index is currently at a 52 neutral, which again, not terrible. We are still slowly creeping more and more towards fear. Anticipating this week, we might see a recovery. Exciting things ahead for sure. Talking about top meme coins, we are talking about Dogwifhat today, currently trading at $2.07 with a $2 billion market cap, still making this a top 50 cryptocurrency across the board of the coins. And we look at the charts, guys, we see the 1 week we're down 25%, the 1 month we're down 16%, and when we go to the 1 year, we're seeing we're kind of going in this downwards direction. Now, guys, this might be an interesting case where it might continue to plummet unless we find some support or reasons for people to be loading up with Dogwifhat, because right now the community alone is not doing it. However, again, the markets are the way the markets are. We are going to see some days where we're dipping, and we are going to see some days where we're popping off. We see there are some red candles, and when looking at the grand scheme of thing, right? When we go to the actual the longevity here, right? We haven't seen a dip like this, right? Last time the strong resistance lines were right about here at the 140 mark, and then we saw the same thing over here at the 135, 140 mark. Same thing over here. Unfortunately, we broke past this level in downwards direction, which is getting analysts to worry that is this potentially a sell. Now, I don't want to fearmonger here, guys. I think there's still a lot of potential for Dogwifhat token, as it's built something massive, right? In the meme coin space, growing over 90,000 followers, actively engaging, posting memes, just doing their thing, right? You can see this is just a beginning for WIF. We see the Bitstamps, and then also to the Robinhood. We can see Bitstamps posted this. This is just the beginning, and they post the dog, and they post the hat. We saw NEX, a new exchange listing. So they are definitely still growing in the scheme of things. So if we do get that Robinhood listing, this would obviously be massive. We get a Binance listing, this would be massive, help push the project upwards to $5. But until we don't get a massive exchange listing, guys, we're kind of plummeting in downwards direction, right? When I was looking at, I want to show you guys a technical analysis, right? We're seeing very, very bearish, right? Oscillators are neutral, but the moving averages are in strong sell. Give us a summary, strong sell. We go to the 1 week, and same thing, still strong sell. Oscillators were in the buy, but the summary is telling us that it's an overall sell, right? And when we go to the news tab over here, right, we can see there is some bearish news right now, right? Dogwifhat had to tumble. Analyst sets a $1 target for WIF, right? Are we going to see a $1 WIF? Now, here's the thing. The reality is people who got into Dogwifhat early, they are going to be reaping their rewards, right? This is a typical market. Projects go up, projects go down. It's kind of how the game plays out. Those who get in early obviously reap the most rewards. Talking about getting early, guys, I want to talk about presale gem, PlayDoge, which has nothing to do with Dogwifhat, but it's a similar token in the sense that it's a dog themed token. It also has some utility. It's a play to earn token. PlayDoge is an ultimate mobile play to earn game that brings the iconic Doge meme coin to life of a Tamagotchi style virtual pet. Secure your PlayDoge tokens to earn crypto while playing the nostalgic 2D retro adventure game. And we see they already raised $4.8 million. They're about to break the $5 million milestone. And in 19 hours, at the time of filming this video, they're going to have a price increase. So if you want to get in the absolute lowest price, now's your time to buy. Link in the description below. One play equals 0.051 cents. And we can see a clean website. Them featuring a ton of different places, reputable places, right? Like Bitcoin.com, the Economy Times, FX Streets. They've been pretty much on all major crypto websites, have a solid roadmap. Websites designed perfectly, great tokenomics, and the cherry on top is they got staking as well, earning up to 51% right now with dynamic range staking. Staking is changing over time, or the rate is changing over time. We see they already have 5,000 followers on X, pretty active as well, engaging with the community and getting things involved. As for Dogwifhat, guys, what's my personal prediction on this? I don't think we're going to see this hit $1. I don't think it's going to crash that much. We've seen similarly with Turbo token earlier this week. Actually yesterday it was plummeting a bit, and then saw a nice strong reversal. I mean, the same thing as it dumps over here. There are going to be some whales and investors who are going to buy in at these low prices. I'd imagine at like $1.99, if it even reaches that price, we'd see an absolute bounce. I'd say that's a strong opinion of my thing, but again, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this this channel. That pretty much wraps up the video. Let me know what you guys are thinking in the comment section below. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.